right, today we're working on a 2020 Mclaren 600Lt. After our client broke the world record with us being the first 720 in the 8-second quarter mile, he decided to sell that car and build a new 600Lt. This car is getting outfitted with the new Pure Turbo Stage 2 with the new Turbo Smart wastegates. We're also doing full Novatec suspension on the car, HRE R101 lightweights, 10/16 carbon fiber hood, and a few other little tricks. We're obviously doing a full downpipe and methanol injection system and a few other little things we're going to be doing to the car to see if we can be the world's fastest 600Lt, just like we did on our 700. Stay tuned. All right, today's lineup at Wheelsboutique, we just have one car getting transported after the work's done. We have our F12 project right now. We just finished some HRE S200Hs on it, lowered on Novatec suspension. We're also doing a full IPE system with ECU tune on this bad boy. This is our, supposedly so far, the world's most horsepower 488, hoping to get to the track soon. Full pure turbo upgrade, full Novatec car. Everything's carbon on her. Another one here we have today is another 488 lined up. This one we just finished IPE full catless system in titanium with Novatec suspension and HRE P101s, 2122s. And here we have Fish Whips 2020, also McLaren 600Lt. Front suspension's up, obviously, never stops raining in Miami, so, you know, puddles make it a little hard for us to get in and out. And this is also going to be done now with DME tune and IPE downpipes.
Oh, you got my ad. You want some?
Right. Dang, that's
Take one. Thank you, sir.
Even the
Agarren dos cada uno.
I'm good.
Sí, pues eso va a estar rodando en el camión y lo que se puede.
No, está bien. Muchas gracias. It's one way to my heart. Cookies. One way to my heart.
All right, today we're working on a 2016 G63, older body style. Client wanted upgrade with a little more performance, so we're gonna do our new DME tune with it. Full Akrapovic titanium exhaust. Obviously you can see how light this is. Carbon fiber tips, and let's see how she rumbles.
2020 McLaren Spider, pure turbos, methanol kit, bigger turbos, bigger wheels. Everything's big on this one. We're going for the first 9.5 to low 9.25 mile 600. So we're gonna kill it. We're gonna do the first startup after the turbo install. So you guys are about to hear some freaking noise come out of here. It's gonna sound so delicious and it's gonna do everything great right now. So you guys ready for this? As you guys heard, the alarm's going off. Not what I meant to say, but you heard that freaking popcorn show. That car's gonna be a beast. Sounds amazing. First ever 600 LT with upgraded turbos. When you upgrade the turbos, it changes the kind of the sound of the exhaust because of the bigger housings. But it's a bad boy. Can't wait to see this thing go down the quarter mile, set some records, do what we do best, and stay tuned. Wait until you see it after the wheels and the suspension next. So, the infamous G63. This is what it loves to do. Eat gas, make noise, jump over things. This one's really loud though. As you guys heard from Ben before, we did downpipes, full Akrapovic exhaust. It has our custom tune on it as well. So it picked up a little power, picked up a lot of torque, and it makes a lot of noise now that you guys are gonna hear. But first, we gotta put gas, because if not, we're not gonna go anywhere. So get ready to hear some rumbles in the jungle, because this baby's loud. So we put it in sport mode. You ready for this? Whoa! 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 What just happened there? I was not expecting that. The downpipes let the turbos flow more air. Car likes it, engine likes it, car just boogies. And as you guys saw there, this little MFer likes to move. So we're gonna get you a little outside clip of the car so you can hear it, because inside it doesn't really do it justice. This car is actually pretty well insulated. But I mean, the noises this car makes is just delicious, and every little aspect of it. Like, listen to this. You can be at any gear. I hope his neighbors doesn't mind the noise, because this is loud. Yep, perfect. Stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be a bigger one.